Yes. She's like, hi, whoa, y'all don't believe me. Well, my man is my man. He's not your man. He's mine 9 to 5 and the weekend. So y'all don't need to know about him. She's moved on. Moved on from what though? Guys, I'm in love. I'm just asking a question. Where is the child? The child's sleeping now. I must wake my child up to come show you on the live. The way you entitled. Ashley joined Miss South Africa next year. I won't even make it past the first round. I'm in love, guys. Like, yeah. You lying. Everyone thinks I'm lying. Okay, is he a celebrity? Is he a celebrity? I would say, okay, he's not a celebrity, but he is a celebrity. You asked the question and now I'm answering it, and now you're doubting it. I'm in love. Guys, I'm in love. There's a man in my life. Yes. He's very famous. Like, he's not a celebrity, but he's very famous. He's just so... He's everything that I want and more. And honestly, I don't believe that this one I'm never leaving. Is he colored? No, he's Jewish. He's Jewish. Did you see Mariah, the scientist, is coming to SA? Yo, guys, I didn't see, but now that you're telling me, I'm going to go. Yeah, that one. The body in the face card. But the walk, Nah, no, guys. Besides, even, I'm just not Miss South Africa material. I'm just not, you know. Something you got to make. Even, like, I'm just not, like, as fancy as... I don't think I could ever be like that. Oh, sweet Jesus. Yeah, then he is rich. He's very rich. He's very rich. Very, very, very rich. We all know it's God. No, it's not. I mean, he's my man too, but yeah. Yo, this girl cracks me up. Jewish. Yo, yeah. He's Jewish. He's Jewish. He's very rich. He's not a celebrity, but he's very, very famous. And he's like the absolute love of my life. Like, he is the man in my life. This is a very good man, guys. He's a very, very good man. I can't express... No, it's not God. Who? Tell us who's... I saw that. My work is not make sure. But you already know this. Like, my work is not make sure. I think I know a man. I think everybody knows. No, you guys don't. I don't know. A lot of you might know my man, but some of you might not. Stop trying to guess his name. I'm not gonna tell you. How old is he? Right now, he doesn't tell me his age. He's a lot older than me. Yeah. Let me calculate. He's 2039 years old. 2039 years old, yeah. Is he tall? Well, I don't really look at his height, to be honest. I don't look at his height. I look at his heart. Like, I'm there from the heart. You know what I'm saying? No wonder you are glowing. Shem, you see what I'm saying? Clock it. Does he have a beard? I can't give out that information because I might be wrong. Honestly, it's like me and my new guy, we like pen pals, you know? We don't really see each other and do the stuff that other people do. We like pen pals. Like, I write to him. Yeah, he speaks to me, teaches me stuff. I'm just in love. I hope he's a degree holder. Oh, damn, he doesn't need a degree. He's beyond every degree. You know what I'm saying? Was he amongst the people you went to China with? Yes, he was. He was like with everyone. He's always with me. He's always with me. Does he have a degree? He's way beyond any degree. Don't bring young one again. No, he's not young. He's very old. Okay, I know him. A lot of people already know him. Who knows him? Yes, guys, no more asking questions. I think some people know my man. My man. Actually, we're all dating, but you never claimed him. So don't come here telling me we're all dating. I'm claiming him right now. Right now. That is very great. He's the greatest of them all. I think we share the same boyfriend. God, I was told this from so many. It's stressful, but at the same time, like, I believe that he deserves, like, all of these women, you know? So, I can't even fight that. That one I can't fight. Please leave us about your man. He belongs to all of us. Facts. That man belongs to everybody. No, I know. Facts. And I'm not a spiteful person in sharing him. So, I love it for you guys. I hope your man is not my man. Girl, I think we have the same man. You know what I'm saying? We love to share. Yes. Does he bite his nails? You keep asking the same thing. Like, you think I don't see your comment? Does he bite his nails? Do you bite your nails? Did he walk on water? Yes, girl, the only man to ever do so. Come and ask silly questions. Expect. Sister wives. Girl, you're dating my friend. I think we're gonna be best buddies. He's on the floor. Muslim. So who is that? Who is that? Yo, my mouth's starting to taste some dirt. Is it the man you said you will hold on to him? Yes, that one. May he bring you a really man. I have no doubts. Now she diverted. She was telling the truth at the beginning. Now she diverted. You know me very well. You, whoever you are. You know me very well. Man! I'm dating your grandpa. Damn, I'm getting tired of processing up and talking. Let me lay down. Mr. Song, the guy that wrote you. When was I ever dating someone that wrote me a song? When was I ever dating someone? Did you cut your hair? Is my hair not long right now? How would I have cut it? Because it's long right now. Damn, everybody's related to my guy. Wow. Stop confusing us, yes. Apartment tour. You guys have seen my apartment before. Ashley, you alone. I love you very much. Thank you. No, you're ruining your hair. Don't lay down. I'm still gonna go sleep at night. When it ruins, it comes out. When it gets bad, it comes out. Pretty face. Thank you. Everyone is asking the same question. Like, it's getting boring now. Show us the award. It's in the lounge. It's in the lounge. Do you buy your dresses at Fashion Nova? No, I don't buy them at Fashion Nova. But I don't. Which dresses are you talking about? Are you talking about like the night dresses? Cause I buy my dresses, a lot of them, at Sissy Boy. So go to the lounge, demanding me. Dang, BK. Thank you. I really love your eyes. Thank you so much. Any hidden talent? No. I also find out stuff about myself daily. How do you generally feel about Mondays? Yo. I used to like Mondays for the past month and a half because every Monday baddies would play. But Mondays, Mondays were tough. Any plans for your birthday? No. Nothing. No plans. Please go to the lounge. Shame. Someone said please at least. Ash, you my role model. I miss this piece. Thank you. So she said, when last did you go? A long time. Like the last time, I think it was Durban. No, it wasn't Durban. It was after Durban July. When I was doing like those Be Beautiful meet and greets. I think Mondays are fast, but they just don't have anything interesting in them. Like, you know, it's always, what did you cook tonight? I try not to cook. I didn't cook anything. Good night, Ashley. Please log off. Now, why would I do that, ma'am? Pumzilia is showing now. Thank you, babe. What's that? Any plans for your birthday? No. No plans. Hi, babe. Hope you see my message. Precious. Hi, Precious. Hi, Elaine. My daughter wants to play Cocomelon. Now I have to leave. How? Okay. No, they must play Cocomelon. Cocomelon's an hour game. I thought it was a TV show. Ash, hi. Are you coming to Botswana? No longer. Durban July. No, it was after Durban July. You owe us an unwrapped video of your new car. I unwrapped it, but I wasn't looking good in the video, so I didn't post it. Hectic Mondays. Please tell us a story. I don't have any stories that wouldn't like bring attention. Like, that wouldn't turn things in the wrong way. Motion. Ashley, please, the guy who wrote the song, Ashley Ogle, wants to meet you. Just fudge. Are you back from China? Yes, I am. You should create a pajama line, like one of the comments just suggested. We would definitely support. Yes, ma'am. The one... love then. I have ref money coming. You have road accident money coming? No. People are out here hating on you, but you just speak. We don't worry about hate. Are you in Israel? Yes. Does he know how to what? Merch with Maddie, not a baddie. Stop scratching your face, please. It's like a calming method for me. I can't help it. I really can't help it. He's the one pregnant Ashley baby. A man that's pregnant. Who's that? Who's the guy that's pregnant? You see now, I don't know if you meant to say something else or what, but that's the English I'm reading. Are you a pineapple on pizza type? I don't eat pizza because it has cheese. I like your smile. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, please, legs big. Ashley to meet just. Do you speak? There's some things I can't answer here. I wish I could answer them, but I actually can't. Girl, what do you eat? There's not a lot of things that I eat. I live off of chocolates, basically. What do you attribute your to? What? What do you attribute your to? I've seen a few of your interviews. You mad cool. Keep on shining. Thank you. But what do you mean, what do you attribute your to? What does that mean? Can you please start any business of your interests? We're definitely going to support. What do you even eat? Men. I love to eat men. I'm I'm kidding. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking, guys. It's just a joke. Do you? Hey. She eats sour worms. Why did you say it like that? Sour worms. The way you spelled it. Okay, I don't know why I said that. It just came to my head. I'm sorry. I was just joking. No, just kidding. How did you feel when you saw your name on the Cherry International Summer Screen? Very excited, very happy. But this is not me. No more laughing now. Okay, it looks good on you. Thank you. How did I feel? Like, this is not me buying face, because I hate buying face. I hate like giving people credit for no good reason. I'm like a mean person, so I just tell you like right where. If I don't want to hurt your feelings, I just wouldn't say anything. It felt nice to see my name on the screen, but at the same time, like, jokes aside, it literally belonged to the fan base that I have. Because if not for them trending Ashley times Cherry, Ashley doing this, Ashley that, do you really believe that Cherry would have noticed me to get that brand impact award? Like, without them, like, literally it's a nothing. So yeah, the only thing that I can say I do from my side is like, I make my videos, the videos that I take, I make sure that they are top notch. I always do my professional makeup, I always get my hair done, I do my part, and then they literally do the rest. So honestly, it felt like a group effort. It didn't feel like it was mine. And I felt amazing to be a part of that group because, again, I don't like to be a loser. People can always say, like, oh, you tried, you were there. No, I don't want to try. I don't want to be there. I want to win. Why are the views going up, Ash? I hope you see people love trolling you. That's sweet. Yeah, it's really sweet. It's really sweet to be a part of a winning team. Like, I'm just an individual that comes here, talks rubbish, excites people, but like, I'm the individual I'd say I'm the face of a team. You know, it's not just me. It's really not just me. I'd love to tell you how my team works, but unfortunately, some of you will copy. So no. Thank you. That video is generational. Brand builders in the house. We did it as a family. Yeah, you know, definitely it was done as a family. Like, there's no way. I don't understand, like, this is me being honest now, right? I don't understand, like, people that make it in life, right? In an industry where you become, like, famous. But then they say, like, they can't, like, communicate with the people because without the people that love you, you're really gonna be nothing, because who's gonna give you attention? Like who's gonna give you it? So that's why sometimes I do understand when people in situations like mine listen to what their fans say, because like your fans can make you or break you. But sometimes if you have an attitude like mine, it's an unhealthy one. If you have the attitude like mine, sometimes I'm just like, hey bro, that thing you're telling me to do is not the one. I can't do it. So, but if now you're just gonna do things that make you unhappy, and you're not gonna give your full effort in it, and it's also things that other people wouldn't like, I dololo chai for you. No, you're not supposed to speak about get in, right? What is that? Yeah, also there's these people, right? Word of advice, like me, I'm not a part of the show. I'm not a part of anything. If you have applied to be a part of that show that I was on, why do you keep asking me things and telling people you're not supposed to do that? You're supposed to keep it to yourself. United won yesterday. Hey! We were sharing the goals. We were sharing, guys. We were sharing the goals. We could never lose. What you thought? Ooh, I got haters on my body. Shake them off. You call her Stephanie? I call her Epiphany. It's chai, bro. It's chai. You think like you're busy calling these things. You think you know what you're doing. Well, you don't know what you're doing. Don't tell anything, copycats are here. Nah, I wouldn't say anything, guys. I would not say anything. What do you think about streaming on Twitch? I don't know what Twitch is about, but I heard it's like something where you can chill the whole day and be live and stuff. I think I'd get cancelled. If I were, as much as I think, like for me, reality TV show, I won't stop saying this here, is what I can do, because remember, like, they copy everything. I'm aware. That's why I'm saying nothing. You at least you know, because you will talk things that will get you into trouble. You see what I'm saying? This is what I'm preaching. Sometimes you need to be honest with yourself about the talents that you have within you. You can't just do things because someone told you you're good at it. You know, that person could be lying. They're setting up for failure. Or does Mary also do streaming? Heavy and serious training. No, I don't think I'm for that. I don't want to get cancelled. Does China have in and out? No, they don't. I don't see. I must say, she's doing well. I'll keep it. Thank you so much for the color. Thank you. When you used to stress us with your put your hands up. When I put my hands up. Not every time I would say something stupid though, just sometimes. Why are you not working on yourself? The same reason you're not working on yourself. Because you coming and you asking me why I'm not working on myself. Like if you were working on yourself, you wouldn't worry about other people's business and what they're doing. So when you start working on yourself, let's do it together, girl. Aye. Never listen to Big Brother fans, please. They are crazy and toxic. They will encourage you even if you're wrong. But it's the same Big Brother fans that like got me these achievements. So when you say that, like you're really putting everyone into a small group of people when the group is large, but you just like putting everyone into a small group of people. And it also depends on how you like retaliate to that. Not everyone is the same. Really, not everyone is the same. Are you enjoying your new life, or do you sometimes miss pre-Big Brother life? I don't have a new life. I don't have a new life. I still have the same. I'm still the same Ashley. I don't think people understand when I say that. I'm still Ashley. Some people just want to see themselves being roasted by you. No, no, I clocked that. I clocked that one. Some people just want to see themselves being roasted. I clocked it actually. There's another guy that I watch on TikTok. His name was Ryan, and he has like these long nails. Sometimes I just want to be roasted by him. Like his roast was so nice. I just want to be roasted. But they decide. You see what I'm saying? You understand? Is this your real hair? Yes. Where is the umbrella? You shot the picture of the China. You couldn't. It's too large to bring in my suitcase. Girl, in Seguini, Kuyabada. How you made us wait for a book? I couldn't come to Cape Town because I was going to China. Your authenticity will always hit you apart. You understand? Thank you. You must always be authentic in your true ways. Hey, tomorrow's work, guys. Tomorrow, not for me. Well, I have some little bit of work, but like for other people, they're going to go bisha. I do not want to be y'all. I love you, man. Thank you. Made any friends from the China trip? Please show them what you have. A makeup bag. Oh, there's my makeup bag. My makeup bag is here. It's actually on my bed. There's my makeup bag. What are you doing tomorrow? Everyone wants to use that authentic word. It's like, yo, hey, hey. Bag 60. Makeup bag to the world, son. Yes, makeup bag on the go. We don't have time to, it's just a 60 makeup bag, a small one you order, it comes. The makeup bags from the gully. The makeup bag is relevant, guys. People are paid well. How you can drag a makeup bag now? Everything is draggable in this life, man. And you will see other things that are, I'll show you other things that are draggable. Let me tell you guys. Let me tell you a story. So anyway, like I have this thing where people will tell me something, they give me advice. And it's not the advice where it's like, I don't want to take your advice, it's bad advice. It's like they'll give me advice and I know what they're saying is the right thing. Right? So anyway, I was packing for China and someone told me, it was cute, and they're like, no, you must take a big suitcase. And I was like, no. I knew I should take a big suitcase because I had 2 coats in there. I still decided, no, I'm going to take my medium-sized suitcase. I took it, it was busting full. It didn't even have a lot of things in it. Then they're saying like, no, I must get like a backpack, to carry my stuff in. Me, I'm still like, nah, I'm still going to take. So what I done was, that Ted Barker or Ted Baker bag where I got from my gifting, I said I'm going to use that bag. And then there was this other bag. I think it came from Timu. I don't know where it came. It definitely came from Timu. And I was like, I thought the bag was a backpack. So I was depending on that bag. So when I opened the bag, I dance screws and everything break. But because I didn't want to look like, I didn't want to look like I was a fool. I said, I'm still taking the Timu bag. When I just got to the airport, the one screw fell out of the bag. The one handle was gone. When I passed through, you know when you go to the airport, you put the bag inside those things. The next screw came out and it was like, how shame. Anyway, I'm still going strong with my bags. I even had a chicken's packet with my food in one. People are passing me by. Me, I'm pushing bags. Everything was falling on the floor. When I got to China, guys, the bag was completely broken. And it's like, it's not funny, but it's funny. It's like, no, I'm not shading Timu, but like, seriously, they had me waiting for a backpack. The bag was just, the bag was smaller than a packet. I was like, you must check this. Where's this bag? No, I'll never forget me and this bag radicals. Hi, where is this bag? This bag is smaller than a packet, guys. And I didn't listen. I was there. I had the bag at one point, I even wrapped the bag around my head and it was carrying like a duffel bag. And I went through the most of that bag. It was tough. It was very tough. And I'm walking and the bag's only breaking and it's falling. And some people are looking at me like, but it's Ashley Ogle. Like, didn't she just get gifts? And I'm like, no, don't worry. I got it. The bag's working. No, but Timu, sometimes Timu and Sheen, no. Seriously, like you'll be waiting for your thing to come, when you see how it looks, you've paid customs and everything, when you see how it looks, it's like, yeah. But sometimes, I'm thinking of what used to happen at home. No ways. There was one time. My mother ordered from Shein, guys. She was so ready to wear clothes. She was so ready to wear clothes. And the clothes came. But I still order from Shein. Like, but when the clothes came for her, you know that time when you have to just walk away? I was gone. Yeah, no, I was gone, huh? But I came back with my bag. My bag's still here. Just the screws are missing, everything. I don't know. I thought the bag was in this other suitcase because I left the bags now. The bag's finished. I expected, because what I saw that I was getting, I thought I was getting like a leather backpack. When I checked the bag, you can't even put a tablet inside. I was like, I was so shocked. They played me. They played me for a fool, guys. They took me for a fool. I've never been taken for a fool like that. One order from out of me. Excitement floor. I said, you'll get humbled. I don't know where's the bag. I don't know where's the bag. But anyway, that's what happened. The extra large becomes small. No, and the thing is, like, I have all of these things, but I decided I was gonna tell everyone, no, I've got a leather backpack, and I still took it. Also, the Ted Barker bag or I don't know if you say Barker or Ted Baker, it doesn't have a zip. So when I was in the flight, when you put the overhead luggage, when I pulled the luggage down, everything was out of the bag. I was like, oh, you just don't listen. Recently ordered a toolbox for my father. Good luck. Good luck. Get lost. Recently ordered. It came. So it serves me right, guys. I can definitely say, yeah. For me, it's a pots. You see, you were ordering a whole pots. You deserved what you got. Why would you order pots? He's still there. I'm so confused. You're going to New York, carry a bigger suitcase. No, you know what's the thing, right? Like some stuff, I think it's you've got to know what you're ordering. You can't just order anything. You've got to know what you're ordering. Cause sometimes Shein slaps. Like sometimes they got the corsets for days. But then sometimes you just gotta know what you're ordering. Like you need to experience the failure of Shein and Temu to understand what is successful to buy. Now I know what's successful to buy, but that leather bag, I was waiting there thinking it's a backpack. Meantime, you need to read reviews. That's the thing. There's a lot of influencers and stuff that do Temu and all of those things. So I'm like, why not take a chance? Why not try it out? Not everything is bad. It's just that the stuff that is bad, it's a laughing stock. It's just a laughing stock. Am I going to fix? I don't think I'm going to fix the bag. I'm over it. I have bags. I just wanted to, because I told Kieu and them that, no, I've got a bag. I'm sorted. So I needed to keep up to it. Poor wants attention. She fails to get Timo. I will never again. Imagine waiting canteen toys. Expensive items tend to have good quality. Yes, that's what I've noticed. Expensive items tend to have good quality. Like the Temu tablet. It's nice. It's nice. It's really nice. And my package is on its way. No, don't stress, guys. It's just like some stuff are a laughing matter, but I don't think it's that bad. Ash, can you please work on avoiding Porsche always? But who's giving her attention? Not me. The pictures of how they look. The bag deserves to be it's a brown bag. Eish. I struggle with that bag. And people were watching me walking and falling with the bag. Now I do. Like I think I can scan, like looking at the stuff that, okay, this one is gonna come out proper, this one's not gonna come out proper. But when they don't come out proper, I kind of just like laugh because it's like funny. It's really funny. Where did you figure? Hey, I was figuring the things on the floor and I was acting like the people couldn't see me, but inside I was like, shh. I was low-key embarrassed. Let me guess, they told you to do small braids and you were like, no. Dude, they actually told me to do like a hairstyle like this. And I was like, no, let me... It's like everything people tell me, I should start listening. You're just a fan, bro. So why did you not tell your boys? Oh, before the awards, give us a story. Cause I didn't even have a brush. I didn't have anything. Like I said, 9 o'clock I'm going. I'm getting tired. I want to sleep. Imagine picking stuff. And the security ladies were like, "Oh, shame, bagiti." That's what made it even more sad. Like as I'm walking, I'm pushing a suitcase, another big bag on top of the suitcase, and there's this bag just breaking, and I'm like, stuff. Yo. It wasn't like, it's not a funny story. It wasn't funny when it was happening. Thank you. Can someone pin for her to read? My nose is itchy. Washing, they saying screws were out. Your BB hair was failing too in your makeup. Like, hey. There was a lot of things going on. I think my life is a movie, honestly. It's really a movie. Did you buy a bag while you're in China? Bro, I had to. Plus, in China, like, my quad wasn't working. Everybody knew to use, like, this Alipay type of app because that's what works in China. I didn't prepare for any of that. Like, the first 2 days, I didn't have any signal because I didn't have a VPN. Now I had to beg people, like, can you please buy me this? I'm going to send you the money. And people were being stingy. They didn't want to even, like, help me out. But then this one person helped me. And I got a bag. But I still brought my brown bag back. I was going to cry the minute they said, I found it so funny because they were like, oh, Magiti. Thank you, Zambia. The bag was like, Mary. Hey. You know what I noticed about people? Like influencers, bro. Influencer guys, they won't help you. They'll see your stuff falling. They're like, they won't help you. They're like, you on your own. We came here by ourselves. You came by yourself. They won't help you. Yo, actually, the day when you started pulling your braids out, they were just coming out. Like my hair was falling in the shops. Bye. A wholesome life. You must love the bag. You brought it back. Yeah, I brought it back. I don't know. I brought the bag back. Thank you to one kind person. Yeah. What's hair influencer in China too? Can we sleep, Ash? Because wow, you make us up. Yes, you can go and sleep. I'm gonna go sleep at 9, guys. 8 more minutes. My life is a movie, yo. Serves me right, honestly. Like, I deserved it. I cried. Go sit down. You couldn't go sit down. I was gonna miss the flight. So I had to go. When you finally take a picture, I think it's probably somewhere in the other room. Didn't they take pictures of you in China? They did. Of me, like, no, I didn't look much different from them. So they weren't really obsessed. But you can see you enjoyed yourself. Yeah, I did. I really did. Do you have a new boyfriend? Yes, I do. Your life is so refreshing. Thank you so much. Story time. I don't have stories that won't like make. Yeah. You don't listen. I don't. There are many best salons. Change the salon. No, I don't use one salon. There's a lot of different people that do my hair. Probably just maybe like the style sometimes doesn't hold in my hair. So yeah. Listen to avoid disasters. Next time I definitely will. We want it, please. What a life. Thank you. Woo! I'm loving it. Yes, me. Guys, vote honor for closing date. Thank you. Kindly take a picture of the bag. I'll take a picture of the bag, guys. The small, small bag. So many things I didn't listen about. So many things. When I took the umbrella, I think at China they take their celebrities very seriously. Like very, very. You should try another makeup artist as well. No, I think I'm fine with the one that I have. Yeah. Listening people in his name. I'm gonna start listening, guys. Go on WhatsApp once you're done. Who's that? Don't forget to post the vlogs on TikTok. Now you will learn to listen. Good night, guys. I'm Yo. I don't know, that laughing like took me out. It made me so tired. Kanti, what inspired you to buy that bag? It was giving leather backpack. Like, it was just giving something, you know. Yeah, it was giving something. How can you keep your man when you wipe your bum with a towel? Well, some men actually find that kinky in my... And I don't want to mention anything, but it's worked for me. You should try it. Maybe it'll work for you. Yeah. Good night, guys. I think I'm getting tired now. Like, starting to laugh at everything is not funny. Guys, I'm busy asking me how I can keep a man when I wipe my ass with a towel. Some guys actually like mud box. That's the truth, though. And I don't want to say anything. Actually, you need to write your own dictionary, because what does washa mean? Washa means like deserts have some washa. It's just like you must have some when something's on par. When something's on par. Pardon me. Someone stopped like the comments here. What did they do? No. I actually can't see any more comments after Washa. Something happened. Something happened.